hope everybody doing good. So in the previous session, we've seen theoretical explanation about DataWarehouse in Fabric. Today we plan to see, in this session, mainly we will see some exercise, how to create the DataWarehouse in Azure Fabric, and how to build the tables and how to build the dimensions, and then how do we convert this as a model or a semantic model. Let's go to the exercise. For working with the data, you need to create the data rows. So select data rows. Name your workspace. Create a new workspace. Name create the data rows. Okay, so here, I'm going to create data rows. I think I already created the warehouse concepts here. So if I click that, I think demo warehouse, and then yeah, we need to go to the workspace, and that on the workspace, you need to select the data warehouse. If you create the data warehouse, it will be like this. So by default, I created a demo warehouse, and then here you can see by default schema, whatever we have in SQL Server at data warehouse concept, that is available. And then here security is as of now, TV role, built-in custom roles. So these are all available. And then queries, nothing as of now. And then we don't have any views as of now. It's default views are there, and then under sys schema, nothing is there. Okay, so these are all the schema specific, and then what are all the queries are there, everything will be there, but everything is empty as of now. So long running, so these are all by default is coming. Okay, let's go to the TBO schema. This is created. After that, let's go down, creating the table. Okay, so this table we are going to create. So to create that, you need to create new query. Here you paste this and then run this, and then by default, yeah, it's going to be under TBO schema. Execution started. Yeah, this is what created. Let's refresh this. We will see that under TBO schema, we can able to see the tables. Temp product. So yeah, the one which we created just now, it is there. Okay, then the table is created, and then using query we are inserting the data to the table. So let's go to the new query. I will not use this. I can use this existing. So I'm just inserting the data. So now I can see if I refresh this table. Yeah, if I refresh this table, then I should see that records which is wherever I have inserted now. Let me refresh. Let me check. We can able to see the records. Yeah, so we can see the 3 records. Whatever we inserted now. Okay. Let's close this. and then you go into time product, then they're going to yeah, same things. The home menu, new query button, create new query, then based on the transaction SQL from then copy the paste transaction SQL, new query button, create new query, the copy paste transaction. So this here they have, I think, yeah, I'm just going to copy this. So here, okay, so here what they're doing in this script level, they given they're creating multiple dimension tables. So time customer, team product, and a fact table. So this information they have as a insert queries. So we are copied those queries and running now. Once this is run, then we can see multiple tables here. See, it's a keep applying, started showing as time team customer. So it is this script having creation table and then insert queries, and yeah, for both multiple fact table, one fact table, and multiple dimension table. So yeah, team customer, team date, and team product, and then fact sales order. So these are the tables got created now. Now we need to define a model. Yeah, relationship data was typically consists of fact dimensions. The fact dimension and numeric measure. Yeah, so we are going to create the dimensional model here. So we need to build the model. So in the model level, we need to give the relationship as well. Let's go here, and then here you can see model. If you see that model, if you click that model, automatically these tables become semantic model table, and it will get appear here. So now we are going to see team customer, team product, and then execution request. So this is not required, this we not built it, so it got built automatically. Okay, so we have created a fact sales table, and then frequency run queries, long run queries. So these are the tables we not yet created, we have not created, but it is showing, and then we are going to hide and report with. Okay. So these three tables we have hidden. Now let's go here. Now I'm going to build relationships. So this is my fact table. This is my product table. This is my date table, date dimension, and customer dimension. Let's go down. So now customer key, date key. So here product key. So I have the product key here. Product key to product key. So one to many, right? team product have one, and multiple roles we have. Yeah, product will have only one product, or like single product, and then so the same product will be replicated in sales table. So this is one too many. Building this, and then date key here. Okay, so customer, let's go to the customer key. This also one too many. So we will start a date key. So date key to date key. So okay, team product, team customer, and then so we have only 3 dimension table and 1 fact table, right? So we have built the relationship in the model. So now I think we can save this. Automatically it gets saved. Go here. So this like in Power BI as well as in DataWarehouse concept, the relationship will be, we can mention many to many, one to many to one. So most probably fact 2 dimension will be many to one, because in the fact table you have multiple rows, and dimension table you have only single row. So that's what it's this way we are building. And cross filter direction, so it is nothing but both, like a single, because when you filter the product, then your fact should be get the filter. If you put both, when you filter the data in your dimension fact table, it will get filter in your product table as well. So you can use this as well. This is also one good feature. So for example, in the report level, you are selecting particular fact level, some information related to that information, what are the relationship available in the fact dimension table, that will show. So that's a functionality here. If you want to specify when you select the dimension, you want to filter only that related to the dimension entry level data into your fact table, then you can go with the single. So I'm going with both. And as well as there is option make this relationship active or inactive. If you make it like this, then if you uncheck this option, then it will become inactive. So that means the relationship will won't work in the report level, but the relationship will be there in the backend, but you don't get like that means like the data won't get filter in the report level. Okay, so this is what these features available. So we have built it like this way, and then so we are going to write this query the data rows. Since the data rows is relationship data, you can use SQL queries in table. Must be relationship data rows. Great. So now I'm going to just join these tables and see the data output. So the same things they mentioned. They are building some measurement column, and then they are building a view. So let's directly go to this query and build the view. Let's go to the query view. Just building this, and I'm just creating the view. So in this view, what we are doing, we are taking the year, month, and month name, and then sales region, sales revenue. So sales revenue is going to be our measure. So we are and we are joining with all the dimension with the fact table and group by this all the attribute. So that case, this view can be directly used to your report. So now I'm going to refresh my view part. There I should see some views. we use sales by region. Yeah, so this we've got created now. So after the view creation, this is the data. Okay, let's go back to the query mode. The refresh data row similar verify the views listed in the explorer. Create the new query and SQL query and remove create new SQL query to run the SQL. Yeah, I just they are trying to visualize the data from that view. Now we are going to create a visual query. In the home menu, select new visual query. Create a visual query. So now let's go to here. Yeah, so we are going to new visual query. So this is nothing but we can drag and drop your table. It will show us here visual level explanation. So for example, the combination effects tells we give tracking on us. Yeah, so simple. Like instead of writing the table joining, so you can there is an option to visual query. So you can just drag and drop the tables, whatever the tables you want to use for your front end. Then you can build the options, merge queries, and then yeah. So the right table for merge is a fact table. Yeah, it should be a right table. Left table will be fact, and the right table will be the dimension. So then we need to specify what kind of join you are going to perform. Left join, right join, full join, inner join, left only, right only join. So for now I'm going to give us an inner join, and then click OK. So we need to specify the key as well. Let's go down. Team product. This is the key. The selection matches 0 rows from both tables. Product key, and then product key here as well. There should be product key. Yeah. The select same number of columns for this. This is already one of the key. Yeah. So now in the fact table I selected product key, and then the dimension table also I selected product key as a keys, and then I built it as an image join. I'm just building 4011 rows are joined. Merge. So now the table got merged. We can join any of these two tables. We can see the data. So either you can write over, you can write over query to build the you can write the query to build. You can build the on top of using the query. You can build the view. Use that view to your reporting purpose, or you can use new visual query process, visual query window, and build the relationship between the tables, and then merge those tables. product, we can mention only the particular column. So sales, all the dimensions we have, all the this table level, we are going to see only product name as a view. So that means it's nothing but based on the product key join between fact and dimension, and we are taking only product name from the table, product table. That is what this one. So now we can see the visualizer result. Supporting directly. Let's close this and then download Excel file. Let's see. I think it's Excel, you can download and see that data. Okay. Visualize your data. You can easily visualize the data with a single query. In the database, you can visualize the tile column and the tables are front export to the data. In the explorer panel, select the model view, add the explorer columns from the dimension from class and okay. So whatever you created that model, we already created this model. So now we can go with using this model. We can go for the report. So we want to see conform. So when you go for model, it's created a semantic model, default semantic model. So in the default semantic model, I'm going to select only the views. So I can see in the report level now only the view. I can't see any. I cannot see any view, any tables. By default, I can see only the particular. I can see I have some issue. Maybe the trial license, right? So yeah, this is what I can able to see. It is not converting as a model. Let's go to the new report. Let's see what is happening. It's coming back here only. Yeah, so now it's okay. So now you can see the report view. I can see only whatever the semantic model, whatever the views I selected, because in the semantic model I selected only the view. That's what it's showing like this way. So I'm just sales revenue and then sales by region, and then month of the year I'm putting as a calendar. Yeah. So let's expand this report. Just run this. Access sales revenue by region. Okay, let's go here. So year wise, what are all the regions we have sales revenue? This information is there. Okay, or I can put calendar year 2022. On 2022, what are all the regions we have, and then what are all the month name is, how much we sold it. Or we can put as a tooltip also. Okay, so individual country wise, individual region wise, what are the years we have in individual year wise, what are the regions we have the sales revenue. So this way we can create the report as well. We can use the semantic model. Okay, so we discussed in the previous session also, we can directly convert this as a mobile view or desktop view or operation of we can design like this way also. Okay, I'm just saving this. Alright, so this is what DataWarehouse concept, which is supporting in Azure Fabric. The next session we will see, kind of some security concept, as well as what is the what is meant by medallion architecture design, and how it is working on how to design our DataWarehouse or our Fabric solution to accommodate medallion architecture. Thank you everyone. Have a great